Welcome. Please pause video to view written information. Video is shot on a two-post lift for clarity. A floor jack used under the receiver will create working space between frame and axle. The kit arrives pre-assembled. Start by removing frame mount from each assembly. Remove bump stop with a 10mm deep well socket. Note 4 holes in axle plate and wipe any debris from those areas. Beware, GM utilizes an undercoating that remains soft, sticky, and hard to get off your hands and tools. Install frame mount with 2 small tabs facing inboard with new M10 1.5 by 20mm bolt. The bolt has a 15mm head. Ensure mount is parallel to frame when torquing to approximately 40 foot-pounds. Route airline under brake line is shown and land the 4 pre-installed 1/4-inch bolts through axle plate holes. Install nuts on rear bolts hand tight. Remove T40 bolts that hold line guard on the front side of the axle. This will allow front nuts to be installed. Lower the truck enough to install the 4 upper carriage bolts. Nuts are serrated locking type. Torque all 8 bolts to approximately 15 foot-pounds and reinstall line guard. Right side installation is shown for clarity. Process is the same for both sides. Airline from the right should run across the differential, secured to the brake line. Left airline should be securely routed to meet the right line and connected to the T-fitting. Connections should be made on the left where brake lines merge and connect to the frame. Both air spring lines need to securely follow brake lines to ensure enough slack for suspension travel. Route airline to the rear from the T-fitting. The line can be placed at license plate, inside box, or plastic step by drilling a 5/16 hole for the valve. Placement can be anywhere you prefer, but please ensure lines are secured away from exhaust, suspension, and spare tire operation. Leak check airline connections with soapy water and double check fasteners for securement.